Leon was a 22-year-old boy who lived in Serbia with his entire family. Leon loved to do new social experiments and do challenges. One night, Leon was rolling home from his friend's party. The car was at high speed and Leon was playing songs at a loud volume. Suddenly, a strange-looking woman appeared in front of his car. Lyro E was shocked to see it and completely lost the steering wheel of the car. His car crashed into a tree and Lyro suffered a little head injury. There was a hospital near that road where the staff came running as soon as they heard the crash and took Leon inside the hospital. Leon regained consciousness 15 minutes after the crash. The doctor bandaged him, and now he could go home. Leon booked a taxi for himself and a tow truck for his car. While waiting for him, he started waiting for a taxi and that tow truck in the hospital. He was standing on the balcony of the second floor of the hospital. He began to think again and again about the woman who had suddenly appeared in front of his car. But he felt that maybe it was some delusion in his mind. From that balcony, Leon could clearly see his crashed car. He had just taken out the phone to inform his mom-dad about his accident when his attention suddenly fell on a street light not far from the car. Under that street light, he saw the same woman who had come in front of his car. She was dancing in a very strange way under that street light. Lyron was very shocked to see her and began to record her with his phone. That's when someone called on Leon's phone. Lyro hurriedly handed over the phone card. But as soon as he looked back at that street light, the woman had now disappeared from there. The recording of his phone also stopped automatically. When he checked his phone gallery, it didn't have the video in it. Lyron Yi was a little nervous when he saw it. In a short time, his cab was there. That's why he got out of there immediately. But he still looked very dumbfounded. As soon as he got home, Leon started searching for the woman. When she looked on the internet, her cheers flew. On the internet, Leon found a video in which the same strange-looking woman danced in a similar strange way under the same street light. People on the internet had described the woman as a Serbian dancing lady. Those people were even calling that dancing lady a ghost and saying that she is not dancing but doing some ghostly retrieval. Seeing all this, Leon became more interested in the woman. The next night, Leon took the camera with his younger brother Nico to the same place where he had seen the woman. Both of them hid a little away from the same street light at 12 o'clock in the night and took out the camera and started waiting for the woman. It's been a long time, but nothing different happened there. Leanne thought that maybe the woman was a mentally unstable person. Leanne was about to leave when she saw the same woman in white coming under the street lamp. His walking thump was very strange. It was a very awkward move. As soon as Lion saw the woman, he started recording into the camera. The woman came down that street line, and then they started dancing in an abnormal way. This time Leon saw that the woman was also holding a knife in her hand. The woman's hair was covering her face. and so Lion couldn't see her whole face. Suddenly, the woman turned away while dancing. And soon the woman's bones began to crack, and his hands and feet began to shake strangely. Only then did the woman turn her face towards Lion, and they laughed out loud when they saw him. Saurat's face was disformed, and her face was intimidating. She was now slowly walking towards Lion and Nico. Lyro and Nico were very frightened to see all this. He immediately ran towards his car. As soon as Lyro approached his car, he saw that Nico was not with him. Leon glanced over and saw Nico standing next to the dancing lady. It seemed that Nico was in control of him. Leon called out to Nico jointly, and Nico seemed to have come back to his senses. Nico quickly ran back to the car, and both Leon and Nico got into the car and started to leave. When Lion looked around, that dancing lady was nowhere to be found. But all of a sudden, she appeared in front of Lion's car. Seeing him, Leon turned to you, but Leon didn't stop his car. Leon's car ran over the dancing lady. And when Lion looked back through her rear view mirror, the dancing lady was standing on the rock, staring at Lion. And then suddenly, she disappeared somewhere in the air. That night, both of them somehow reached home and slept quietly. The next day, Nico told Leon that the dancing lady told Nico last night that she herself is death, and that anyone she sees will take away the closest thing to her. Within a few days of this incident, something happened that changed Leon and Nico's life forever. One night, Leon and Nico's mother was killed in an accident. His accident was also lost under the same street lamp where Leon had seen the dancing lady. Sometimes, since that day, Leon and Nico often have dreams of that dancing lady. In fact, Nico's condition has become so bad that he sometimes comes out of his house at night and starts doing the same strange dance like the same dancing lady on the dirt.